Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem, which is kth largest element in an array. So what we have given here is an array and we have to find the kth largest element. So that means we have to find the second, third or whatever the k value given, we have to find that largest element. So let's see the approach to solve this problem. So here we have given a list L which contains some elements inside it. So what we have to do is here we have to actually traverse throughout the array and find the kth largest element. So one thing to note here is that how we can solve this problem using a min heap. So basically in min heap, what we can know is that whatever the value is minimum, it comes at the top. So let's suppose if we append 2 and 3 inside our min heap, then it would be something like 3 and 2. So the minimum element is at its top. So at the top, we can see that there is minimum element. Now, if 1 is appended, then 1 goes here. If 5 is appended, then 5 goes here. Similarly, 6 goes here and our 4 is here. So this way, we got an sorted order min heap. So here what we can see that if we form a min heap of size k and if we retain that size, then at the end of that we got the required answer, that is whatever the value of k, if we append that number of element inside our min heap, then at the end of our traversal we got our kth maximum or kth largest element. So let's see it with an example. So here firstly we append 3. So 3 got appended here, you can see it. And then we append 2. So 2 is also appended. Now what happened? When we append 1, so 1 got appended here. But what we have to check, since the size of our min heap is become greater than this value k, that is 2. So that's why what we do, we just pop out the top element. So top element is the minimum element among all of the 3 elements inside that min heap. So after doing that, what we can see that now 5 comes inside it. So once 5 come inside it, so 2 automatically got popped out because as I told earlier that the size of that min heap become greater than k. In the same way, when we go forward, so after that, when we come here and append 6 inside our min heap, then what we got, that 3 automatically got popped out from our priority queue and 5 and 6 remains there. And once 4 also appended inside our priority queue, then it will got popped out because the size of the priority queue can be only given k value. So now at the end of this traversal, we have to return the top element. So here top element is 5. So our answer is the second largest element inside this given array is 5 and that is the answer. So now let's dive into the coding part. So here we have first taken an integer which represents the size of the array and then we use priority queue. So here this will represent the min heap. So if you want to make a max heap, then you don't have to write this. Using priority queue int only, you can got a max heap. But for min heap, you have to write this. Then you have to traverse throughout the array and you have to push elements of the given vector nums inside our priority queue p. And if the size become greater than k, then we have to simply pop out. And at the end, we have to return the top. So let's try to submit this up. So this is the approach to solve the kth largest element in an array using min heap or priority queue. And if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.